If I had 15 minutes to do my hair, this is what I would do. Now, because we only have 15 minutes, obviously a whole on cut is not gonna work. I don't have that much time. So we're probably just gonna go in with a lineup, nice and easy. And to spice it up, we're gonna make the sideburns ice pick. So it's like stops right here, kind of getting rid of all that neck hair as well. And yeah, nice and quick, simple cut. I think I'm doing this because I want to show y'all that you don't need to take a whole hour, 2 hours to cut your own hair. If you're really in a rush, if you have something to do, 15 minutes is all you need. So we're gonna start down by brushing everything down, making sure everything is laid. And we're gonna go in with our one guard now and start prepping the lineup, debulking it a little bit. This is just gonna get all the light hairs just laid down in the same direction and cut a little bit. So now that everything's debulked, we're gonna start the lineup now. The brush everything down, make sure everything's in the same direction. Nice. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have notifications, huh? My fault, I ain't talking. But this part, this one line right here is the most important. So let me focus up a little bit. You can see in this corner it's really light. Damn. Hold on. Damn. Might have to debulk a little more to make sure that you have some hair laying down in that area, bro. Cause geez, I didn't think it was that bad on that side. Maybe if I have enough time at the end, I go in with some enhancements to clean that up. Yeah, that looks crazy. Y'all gonna think I'm like receding and shit. Well, both the corners, honestly. They're just really light, bro. Chill out with me. Chill out with me. All them braids, bro. You do braids for so long, so much, too much. You start seeing them corners start going, bro. Oh shit, the time. It says 10:41. You'll be alright. I'm getting distracted, yo. I'm only 10 minutes in. I mean, 5 minutes in, and I only got this part done. I am cooked. I like to set the indent on the C cups with this trimmer. It's a little more sharper, but this trimmer I have a little more control with, so I like to do the arch with this one. sure everything gets taken down with that. Nice, nice. Now we're gonna get behind the ear. I don't like to round off the back. I feel like it makes me look like a little like preppy boy. I don't know. It looks too like I don't know what I'm trying to say, bro. I just don't like it. So I'm gonna leave the back with just the neckline going down. Seven minutes left. I think I'm doing good so far. Not where I want to be, but hey, we could pull it back. Nice, it died. Okay, even better, bro. Even better. Okay, that side's fine. Now we can start other side. But the shit is dead, so I'm gonna replace it real quick with the other one. This is why you always have to have multiple, trimmers, clippers, and shit, because you never know what's about to happen. All right, let's get this side going. Ah! Damn. Got 5 minutes left, yo. Fuck. Okay. Almost done. So here's off this part. Oh fuck, 3 minutes. I don't like doing the top half of the mustache because I keep pushing it too far up, so I'm trying to let that grow back. That's why I'm not really touching the top of it. Now we're going in with the razor. I don't think I'll have enough time for enhancements because we gotta get this razor work done. Because with the ice pick, bro, you need to get these parts right here. You're cutting a bit of hair on this side. Now, I don't recommend going this fast with the razor. Don't try this at home, bro. Because you will cut yourself. Damn, will I have enough time for any enhancements, bro? I don't even know. I hope so. I can't lie, the ice pick on this side looks fucking terrible. Oh god. 1 minute left. Yeah, I'm not gonna have time for the enhancements, bro. It's okay. I'm just trying to see how much I can get done in 15. And to show y'all that y'all can get this done in 15 too, bro. Alright. We're gonna shave her now. Just get the sides looking good. Smooth. Now we're gonna put in some leave-in. Get some oil into the scalp as well. Massage that in real quick. Oh, you're not gonna make a noise? This all look good. This all look good. This all look good. This all look good. Hey, yeah, I didn't do too bad. Ice pick taper. I didn't even really do a taper. We just lined ourselves up really. This is the cut after 25 minutes, which is, you know, a lot more clean, a lot more sharp, as you can see. Nice. All you really need is 25, half an hour. You get a nice crispy lineup, bro. And y'all should try this too, a 15-minute cut challenge. Send me y'all results on Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. Feel me? I want to see what y'all can do. Nathan Xavier, see y'all next Saturday. Boom!